Are you thinking about buying a home in Portugal? Whether you're dreaming of retiring in the sun, making a smart investment, or starting a brand new life, this video gives you the exact steps you need to follow. I've helped hundreds of people just like you make the move safely, smoothly, and without surprises. Well, not too many surprises. And stick around and I'll walk you through everything from getting your tax number to signing the final deed. All in plain English. Let's get started. Know what you want. First, define your dream. This sets the direction for everything that follows. Are you drawn to the coast, the countryside, or maybe a small town with a sense of community? Next, your budget. Did you have a price range in mind? Knowing your limit helps you filter out the noise and focus only on the homes that truly fit. Now think about why you're buying. Is this a holiday home you'll visit a few times a year, a full-time move for you and your family, a retirement plan, or is this pure investment, rental income, long-term value, low maintenance? Then ask yourself, how many bedrooms do you need? Do you want multiple bathrooms, maybe an ensuite? Is outdoor space important, like a garden, a terrace, or even room for a pool? Do you need space for pets, or maybe a home office, a workshop, or even land to grow your own vegetables? Be honest about your must-haves and what you can compromise on. Getting this clarity early saves you time and helps you find the right property faster. Step 2, get your NIF number. To do anything in Portugal, you need a NIF. It is your Portuguese tax number. You'll need it to open a bank account, sign contracts, buy property, set up your utilities, everything. Getting a NIF is simple. If you're already in Portugal, you can walk into a local finances office with your passport and a proof of address. If you're outside the country, no problem. A lawyer or tax representative can get it for you remotely. And we can help you connect you with someone who does this quickly and professionally. This step is essential, and once you have it, you're ready to move forward with confidence. Step 3, find a local agent. Next, find a local agent you trust, someone who understands the market, knows the legal process, speaks the language, and protects your interests every step of the way. A good agent does more than just show properties. They'll help you navigate pricing, legal checks, notifications, and even after-sales support, like setting up utilities or finding a local builder. They'll also save you time by filtering properties that actually match what you're looking for. So, are you already working with an agent? If not, we can help. We work across Portugal and have access to the full market, including off-market opportunities you won't find online. If you're in Portugal, and your agent will schedule viewings that fit your criteria, so you can walk through, ask questions, and get a real feel for the space and the area. But if you're overseas, no problem. We offer virtual viewings, detailed video tours, and property reports with photos, floor plans, and honest feedback. That means you can narrow down your shortlist and travel when you're ready to make serious decisions. We've helped clients buy confidently without ever stepping foot in Portugal, and we're here to guide you in the same way if that's what works best for you. Step 5, speak to a mortgage broker. If you need financing, speak to a mortgage broker early. In fact, it is often best to do this before you start viewing properties. Why? Because a mortgage broker can help you understand exactly what you can afford based on your income, deposit, and the bank's criteria. That means no surprises later, no wasted time looking at homes outside your budget. Getting pre-approved also gives you a big advantage. Sellers take your offer more seriously when they know that your financing is ready. And in Portugal's fast-moving market, that can make the difference because properties can sell while you're still waiting for approval. Want help? We work with trusted English-speaking brokers who know the system and can get you clear answers fast. Step 6, make your offer. Found the one. Now it's time to make your offer. Your agent will guide you through this part from setting a fair starting point to negotiating terms and timing that works for both sides. A good agent isn't there to squeeze every last cent out of you. Our goal is to match the right person to the right property and build trust on both sides. We want the deal to feel right, not forced. In many cases, we already know the seller's situation and we can advise you on how to make an offer that stands out without overpaying. We'll help you structure your offer clearly and professionally, and when needed, include proof of funds or pre-approval to strengthen your position. Step 7. Hire a lawyer. This part is essential. Hire a local property lawyer who knows the area where you're buying. Yes, they'll check all the legal details, the land registry, licenses and planning information, contracts, and whether there are any debts or legal issues tied to the property. But here's the key. Different areas in Portugal have different planning rules, and working with a lawyer who knows the local council can make a big difference. They'll know how things work on the ground, who to speak to, and how to move things forward quickly and safely. In smaller towns or rural areas, these relationships really matter. We can recommend trusted, English-speaking lawyers with proven track records local to the area you're buying in to make sure everything's done right from the start. Step 8. Sign the promissory contract, or the CPCV. Once your offer is accepted and the legal checks are done, the next step is signing the CPCV. That's the contract, the Contrato de Promessa de Compra e Venda. Bit of a mouthful. In English, the promissory contract. This is a legally binding agreement between you and the seller. It outlines the price, payment terms, timeline and the conditions, for example, mortgage approval or completion dates. At this stage, you usually pay a 10% deposit. It shows commitment from both sides, and if the seller backs out without just cause, they must return double your deposit. If you back out without cause, you'll lose your deposit. So it's important that everything is clear before signing. Your lawyer will review the contract carefully, explain the terms, and make sure your interests are protected. Step 9. Final deed signing. This is the big day. The final deed signing, known as the escritura. It takes place at a notary's office with all parties present, or through a power of attorney if you're not in Portugal. You'll review the final documents, confirm all the details and sign the deed, officially transferring ownership from the seller to you. At this point, you pay the remaining balance, plus any taxes and fees due on the day. Once everything is signed, the keys are yours. You're now the legal owner of your new property in Portugal. Congratulations, you've done it. Step 10. Register your new property. After the deed is signed, there's one final and crucial step, registering the property in your name. Your lawyer will handle this for you, filing the documents with the land registry, Conservatoria, and the tax office, Finances. This step updates the official records and confirms that you are now the legal owner. Once it's complete, your purchase is fully registered and you officially own property in Portugal. From here, you can set up utilities, insurance, and start enjoying or preparing your new home, whether it's for living, renting, or relaxing. Bonus tips: save time, money, and stress. Before you go, here are a few extra tips that can make a big difference. Open a local bank account. It makes everything easier, from paying the bills and transferring the money for the purchase. Some banks even offer accounts tailored for expats and non-residents. Use a currency exchange service. Don't transfer large sums through your regular bank. You could lose thousands in poor exchange rates and hidden fees. We recommend using a specialist currency service. It's faster, safer, and can save you serious money. Let's make it happen. If you're ready to start your search or just need help with the process, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Whether it's finding the right property, connecting with trusted lawyers, mortgage brokers, or just understanding the local market, we've got you covered. Drop a comment below with your questions, like the video if it helped, and hit subscribe so you don't miss new property tours and buyers tips in Portugal. Ready to take the first step? Get in touch. We'd love to help you find your place in Portugal.